How about we pretend to go in real space? Hey, Mommy, can we pretend to go to outer space?
Hey there, Ryan. If you want to go to outer space, you gotta put on your spacesuit like this.
Why do you need to put on your spacesuit?
Good question. I'll be right back. Whoop!
Where did Mommy go? Did Mommy go to space?
Ryan's World Galaxy Explorers.
Hi there. Did you know that the first Earthling that orbits the Earth was a dog? Wow! Humans didn't get to go into space until 4 years later. And when humans did go into space, they knew they needed spacesuits. But why do we need spacesuits? Because the atmosphere in space is different than Earth. Space can be too cold when you're far away from the sun. Woo! Woo-hoo! Woo! Woo! And too hot when you're too close to the sun. Oh. Also, there's no air in space. If we don't have any air, we can't, breathe. Without spacesuits, astronauts can only survive for about 15 seconds. That's not a lot of time. Oh no, I better go put on my spacesuits. Be right back.
Whoa, that was close. That's why we really need spacesuits when we go out of Earth's atmosphere.
So let's check out all the parts to a suit that we need if we were to go out to outer space. Did you know that the whole spacesuit weigh around 280 pounds? That's more than a adult kangaroo. And that's without anybody inside. Here are all the things to keep us safe while we go on an adventure into outer space. Our whole spacesuit let us breathe inside the suit. Okay, let's put it on. So excited, always wanted to be an astronaut. Whew. Ugh. Now I just gotta put on the sleeve, one side and the other side. Yay! Zip it up. Buckle my belt. What'd you guys think? Next, we have our space boots so we can walk around. All right, let's put it on. Woo-hoo. What do you guys think of my space boots? Do you think I can do the moonwalk? Is this the moonwalk? No? Okay. Next, we got our handy dandy gloves to protect our hands. One hand in, the other hand. Then our helmet protects our head and doesn't let air escape. All right, you guys ready? Woohoo! What you guys think of my spacesuit? Now we are ready to go on our adventure to outer space. Let's go! Woo! Woohoo! I'm so excited to go to outer space. Whoa! Are you guys ready to blast off? All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Wow, look at all these things up in space. I see the moon! Whoa, and I see Mars! I wonder if anybody's there in Mars. Ooh, the International Space Station! Hi! Oh no, what's that? It's a meteor! Oh, we better get out of here! So, since we learned so much about astronauts, let's do a pop quiz. Number 1. What was the first Earthlings to orbit space? Was it A, a cat? Was it B, a bunny? Or was it C, a dog? That's right, it was C, a dog. Question number 2. Why do astronauts need spacesuit? Is it because A, the atmosphere in space is different than Earth? Or is it because B, they need spacesuits to go to sleep? Or is it because C, they look cool? What do you think? They do look pretty cool. The answer is because A, that's right, because the atmosphere in space is different than on Earth. Question number 3. How much does a spacesuit weigh? Does it weigh A, 100 pounds, B, 280 pounds, or is it C, 500 pounds? Oh, that's pretty heavy. The answer is B, 280 pounds. Yay, good job on answering all those questions right on the quiz. And if you didn't get them all right, it's okay. You can try again next time. Now that we know why we need our spacesuits, let's go back into our spaceship and tell Ryan. All right, I gotta put on my space helmet. All right, let's blast off and go home to Earth! Woo!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Ryan, so that is why you need a spacesuit in space, okay?
Okay, I'm ready up!
Okay, Ryan, have fun in space.
Bye, Earth! I'm gonna go to space now! Hi, everybody, and welcome to my space station. Look, this is my control room.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi, Mommy.
Where would you want to go today?
Mars.
That's a good planet choice.
Wait, but Mommy, what are all the other planets?
Good questions. What are the other planets in their solar system? Let's find out. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Woo!
Where did Mommy go? Mommy. 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 Whoa, whoa. Mommy. Mommy, where are you? Welcome to Ryan Toyville.
Whoa! Oh, hi there. Did you know that Earth, the planet that we're living on, is the 3rd planet from the sun? Whoa, the sun is hot today. There are 8 planets total in our solar system. And Earth, the one we're on right now, is the only planet known so far to have life on it. You can't find a dog or a Venus flytrap or human like us anywhere else yet. How cool is that? Let's learn all the planets' names and what they're known for. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the planet song. If you know the order, sing along. Planets revolve around the sun. Mercury is number 1. Venus is number 2. It's too hot for me and you. Earth is the place to be. It's planet number 3. Now let's learn some more. Mars is red and it's number 4. Jupiter is number 5. And it's known for its giant size. Saturn is the one with rings. It's number 6 in the order of things. 7 is the planet with ice. It's Uranus and it's been on its sides. Number 8's called Neptune. It's the last one and it's blue. This is the planet song. Now you know the order, sing along. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This is a very tiny model of our solar system. Did you know that all of the planets in our solar system revolves around the sun? That means that the sun right here is in the middle and all the planet goes around the sun. First, we have Mercury, then Venus, whoa, then Earth, the planet that we live on with the tiny moon there. I don't know if you can see. Here's Mars, which looks pretty red, right? And then here is Jupiter. Look how big it looks. Then here's Saturn with a whole bunch of rings around it. That's pretty neat. And here is Uranus. And then the 8th planet, the furthest away from the sun, Neptune, right there. Look how blue it looks. This planet name is Mercury. It's the first one that is closest to the sun. And it goes around the sun super fast, the fastest. The second planet here is Venus. If you think Earth is hot, you wouldn't like Venus. It gets to 870 degrees. It is the hottest planet in our solar system. I'm sweating just being so close to it right now. Oh. And the third planet here is, you know what this is? That's right, it's Earth, the planet that we're living on right now. We're the only planet that we know of that has life so far. Pretty cool, right? This fourth planet here is called Mars, also known as the red planet. It's red because it has lots of iron oxide, which makes the soil look really red. This planet here is the biggest planet in our solar system. It's so huge, wow! Do you remember its name? That's right, it's Jupiter. It's 11 times bigger than Earth. And the sixth planet here in our solar system name is Saturn. It's known for its giant ring. Not only does Saturn have rings, it has over 60 moons. Look, oh, that's a lot of moon. Earth only has 1 moon. This next planet is super interesting. The 7th planet is Uranus. It spins, get this, on its side. So instead of spinning around like this, it spins around like this. Oh. And this last planet here, number 8, is Neptune. And guess what? It's really windy. Ah! Cold. Ooh. Icy. And very, very blue because it has methane gas. Yay! Now that we know all about our planets in the solar system, let's sing along with me! This is the planet song. If you know the order, sing along. Planets revolve around the sun. Mercury is number 1. Venus is number 2. It's too hot for me and you. Earth is the place to be. It's planet number 3. Now let's learn some more. Mars, it's red and it's number 4. Jupiter's number 5. And it's known for its giant size. Saturn is the one with rings. It's number 6 in the order of things. 7 is the planet with ice. It's Uranus and it's been on its sides. Number 8's called Neptune. It's the last one and it's blue. This is the planet song. Now you know the order, sing along. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now let's do a pop quiz. Question number 1. Which planet in our solar system that has life that we know of so far? A, is it Mercury? B, is it Mars? C, is it Earth, the planet we're living on right now? Hint, hint. Or is it D, Jupiter, the biggest planet? The answer is C, Earth. Did you get it right? Yay! Earth is the only planet that we know of right now that has life. How cool is that, right? Question number 2. How many planets are there in our solar system? A, is it 60? B, is it 870? C, is it 8? Which one? And the answer is C, 8. There's 8 planets in our solar system. Let's quickly name them again. There's Mercury, there's Venus, and then there's Earth, there's Mars, Jupiter, super big, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune! Did you get it? Last question, number 3. Which planet in our solar system is the biggest? Do you remember? Is it A, Earth? Is it B, Jupiter? Or is it C, the moon? And the answer is B, Jupiter. It's the biggest planet in our solar system. Look how big it is. Don't come any closer. So huge. Wow. Good job answering the pop quiz. And if you didn't get it right, just try again next time. Now that we know all about our planets, let's go back and tell Ryan, okay? Let's go. Wow!
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to planet Mars to find Mommy. Where did she go? It's set to Mars. There we go. Bye. Setting 3, 2, 1.
So those are all the planets in our solar system. Wait, Ryan, where'd he go? Did he go to outer space without me?
The sun is a yellow dwarf star that is in the center of our solar system. The sun is a super duper hot giant ball of gas. Hot, 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 hot. Hey guys, astronaut Ryan here. Let me teach you all about the planets. First, let's start off with the sun. It's actually not a planet, it's a star. So all those stars you see are exactly like this. The sun is a yellow dwarf star that is in the center of our solar system. The sun is a super duper hot giant ball of gas. Hot, 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 hot. All the planets orbit or go around the sun like this. Whee! I'm Mercury going around the sun. Whee! Do you know how many planets there are? There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's learn the names in order. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, so what is the order of the planets again? It's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Here's a trick to remember the order. Whee! How do you remember the planets again? My very excellent mother just served us noodles.
You ready to eat, Ryan?
Yeah, after I learn about the planets.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna wait for you.
So here's what each letter stands for. My for Mercury, very for Venus, excellent for Earth, mother for Mars, just for Jupiter, served for Saturn, us for Uranus, and noodles for Neptune. Here's also a very fun song to help learn the planets.
This is the planet song. If you know the order, sing along. Planets revolve around the sun. Mercury is number 1. Venus is number 2. It's too hot for me and you. Earth is the place to be. It's planet number 3. Now let's learn some more. Mars is red and it's number 4. Jupiter is number 5. And it's known for its giant size. Saturn is the one with rings. It's number 6 in the order of things. 7 is the planet with ice. It's Uranus and it's fin on its sides. Number 8's called Neptune. It's the last one and it's blue.
planet that is also the closest to the sun is Mercury, and it's also the smallest planet. I'll have Peck tell you more about Mercury.
Thanks, Ryan. I'm so excited to share some facts about the planets. Let's start with Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. It does not have any moons or rings. Even though Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, it's only the second hottest planet. An entire year on Mercury takes only 88 Earth days.
The second planet is Venus. Peck, tell us more about Venus.
Did you know one day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days? Venus is the second brightest object in the night sky. Only the moon is brighter. Because of its harsh atmosphere, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system.
The third planet from the sun is Earth. It's also my favorite because we live here. Okay, Peck, it's your turn to tell us some fun facts about Earth.
Earth is the only known planet to support life. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. Although 3% is freshwater and 2% is frozen in ice sheets and icebergs.
Next up planet is Mars. It's also sometimes called the red planet because it looks red from Earth. Okay, Peck, now tell us some fun facts.
Mars is known as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. Unlike other planets, there are signs of liquid water on Mars, which means maybe it could one day support life.
The fifth planet from the sun is Jupiter. It's also the largest planet in our solar system. Okay, Peck, can you tell us some fun facts about Jupiter?
Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Whoa! It's primarily made up of gas and is therefore known as the gas giant. The Great Red Spot is a huge storm on Jupiter that is the size of 3 Earths.
This is the sixth planet from the sun. It's Saturn. And you see these rings? They're actually made out of millions of ice chunks. Okay, fun facts with Peck. Whee!
Saturn is another gas giant. It has the most extensive rings that are made up of ice chunks and dust. Saturn has 82 moons.
The seventh planet from the sun is Uranus. And it appears to spin on its side. And Peck will tell you some more fun facts about Uranus.
Uranus is not visible to the naked eye and is the first planet discovered by the use of a telescope. It is referred to as an ice giant planet. Although it's not frozen, the atmosphere is filled with ice crystals.
The eighth planet from the sun is Neptune. And since it's so far away from the sun, it is super dark and cold here, and it rains diamonds. Cha-ching! Okay, and Peck will tell you some more fun facts about Neptune. Woo!
Neptune is the most distant planet from the sun. A year on Neptune lasts longer than 165 years on Earth. All the methane in Neptune's atmosphere gives it its blue color. Wow! Learning about the planets was fun, Ryan. See you later.
Recap time! How many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8. It is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All of these planets orbit or go around the sun like this. Whee! That's 1 year, 365 days. Some planets orbit the sun super fast, like Mercury. It only takes 88 days since it's the closest. Whee! Already there. Some planets take a very long time to orbit the sun, like Neptune. It takes 60,190 days to orbit the sun. Still going, still going, still going, still going, still going. Ooh, that was so long. So what is the order again? It's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. My very excellent mom just served us noodles. Okay guys, thank you for learning all about the planets with me. Remember, always stay happy and rise Bye! Hot, 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 oh yes! Bye! It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna soak up some sun. That's too much sun. Why is it so hot?
Ryan,
Yeah?
are you out here in the sun without some sunscreen? This is not good for you. Now put out your hand. Okay, you always need sunscreen when you go outside. It'll protect you from the sun.
But Mommy, can you tell me more about the sun?
Of course, I'll tell you all about it. Now put on your sunscreen.
Okay.
So this is the sun. Whee! Most stars are sphere-shaped like our sun. A sphere is an object that is completely round in shape, like a ball. But did you know the sun is a star? Like this? All the other stars looks like this, and this, and this. They all look like little sparks in the sky, only because they're so far, far away from us. Did you know that our sun is just an average-sized star? There are bigger stars in the universe, and there are smaller stars in the universe. There are about 100 billion to 400 billion stars just in our galaxy, which is called the Milky Way. Nope, not that Milky Way. This Milky Way. A star, like our sun, is a giant ball of gas. Look! But what kind of gas? Let's go visit Mr. Sun himself and ask. Wow. Oh, hi there, Mr. Sun.
Oh, hi!
I have a question for you.
I love questions. I don't get many visitors up here, you know.
What are you made of?
I am made of mostly hydrogen gas and also some helium gas.
Helium? Like the gas we put in balloons to make them float?
You're right! I'm also made of other gases like oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. But I'm mainly hydrogen gas.
Oh, wow. That is so cool. There you have it. From Mr. Sun himself. The sun is mainly made out of hydrogen gas. But it's getting so hot here. Oh, I don't want to burn up, so I'm going to go back down to Earth. Bye, Mr. Sun!
Bye! Wow, what a cool little earthling.
So this is the solar system. Did you notice what's in the center of the solar system? What? It's this big object. Why? That's the sun. And did you notice how it's the biggest object in the whole solar system? Wow. And can you find Earth? It's right there. There's Earth. That's our planet. Did you notice how the Earth revolves around the sun? That means all the planet goes around the sun. So this is our planet Earth. Like all the other planets in the solar system, it orbits the sun like this. Whew. Did you know it actually takes about 365 days for the Earth to go around the sun? Whew. That's why there's 365 days in a year. Whew. So the sun is the closest star to Earth. That's why when you look outside, you can kind of see its round, spherical shape. But all the other stars look like little sparks in the sky because, again, they're so far, far away from us. Even though the sun is the closest star to us, it's still about 93 million miles away from us. So, if I have a flying car that I can use to travel to the sun at 93 miles per hour, it will still take me 1 million hours to get to the sun. So we know that the sun is made up of burning hot gases like hydrogen gas. But how hot is the sun? Hot, 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 hot. I'll let Heck explain it to you because I'm not going back to the sun again.
It's way too hot for a penguin to be out here. But I'll do anything in the name of science. Did you know the surface of the sun is about 10,000 Fahrenheit or 5,600 Celsius? As you get closer to the core, or the center of the sun, it gets way hotter. It can reach about 27 million Fahrenheit, or 15 million Celsius. Oh, hey, Combo. Nice to see you on this side of the universe. Want to hear a joke?
Sure.
Why did the sun go to school?
Why?
To get brighter.
Oh, that's so funny, Peck. I'm gonna go explore more over there. Way over there.
Okay, so here are some boiling water. But remember, only grown-ups should boil water. Let's see. What is the temperature that water boils at, okay? All right. Wow, water boils at 112 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. Even the oven, look, it only goes up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Nowhere close to the sun's temperature at all, right? Have you ever wondered what life would be like without the sun? Well, for one, it would be very, very cold. And it would be very, 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 very dark. Oh, hello? Hello? Anybody there? Ah, what's that noise? Ah. Oh, it's just Mr. Chicken. I knew the sun would be useful. So, why is the sun so important to us? Well, the sun provides us with light and heat, which means they provide us lots and lots of energy. And without the sun's energy, we would not be able to survive. Almost everything here on Earth, like this organism, this, and even this, depends on the sun's energy in some way to survive. This is a plant, and plants like this needs the sun's energy to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Say it with me. Photosynthesis. Photo means light, and synthesis means to put together. So, photosynthesis means using the light's energy to make their own food. How cool is that? Animals, including humans like us, need plants for food. And we also need the oxygen that the plants produce. But without sunlight energy, plants can't survive. Also, without the sun, everything would be so cold, and everything here on Earth would freeze like this. Ah. Yay for sunlight! Humans can also take the sun's light and turn it into electricity called solar power. Say it with me, solar power. These are solar panels. Solar panels captures the sunlight energy and turn them into power. Solar power is wonderful because there's pretty much an endless supply of sunlight. Also, solar power doesn't cause pollution. Woohoo! Did you know that you can also use the sun's energy to make your own s'mores?
So as you can see, it's really bright outside. Now we're gonna use all of this sunlight to cook our s'mores. Now we just have to adjust this panel to get it just right. Ooh, that looks really good right there. All we have to do now is just wait for the s'mores to melt.
1 hour later.
All right, Bree, let's check out our results.
All right, let's see. Do. Ooh, these look so good. So of course, to make a s'more, you have to smush them together like this. Oh man, look at all of that ooey gooiness.
Yeah,
That looks so good. Let's try it out. Oh, I'm making a mess everywhere. This is really good.
Awesome job! Now I'll go deliver it. Bye, Bree.
Bye.
Combo Panda presents the s'more.
This is so yummy.
Combo Bunga!
Solar energy rocks. Combo, thank you so much. But how is solar energy able to cook the s'mores?
We used foil in this box to capture sunlight to heat up the s'mores.
I can't believe it works. Maybe next time I'm gonna use solar power to bake a cookie.
So, now that we know so much about the sun, are you ready for a quiz? Of course you are. Let's go. Question number 1. What is the sun? Is it A, a star? Is it B, a giant bubble in the sky? Or is it C, a moon? Did you get the answer? That's right, the answer is A. The sun is a star. Question number 2. What is the sun mainly made out of? Is it A, glitter? Is it B, hydrogen gas? Or is it C, water? Did you get the answer? It is B. The sun is mainly made out of hydrogen gas. Question number 3. What would the weather be like here on Earth without the sun? Would it be A, bright and shiny? Oh. Would it be B, cold and dark? Hello? I can't see anything. Or would it be C, hot but windy? Ah, so much wind. Did you get the answer? It is C. Without the sun, the weather here on Earth will be very dark and icy cold. Ugh. Now that we learned so much about the sun, let's go and tell Ryan. Let's go.
Look guys, look at what I made. It's powered from the sun.
Whoa, Ryan, what is this?
It's a car that is powered by the sun.
Whoa, nice. Good job, Ryan. You learned that you can power a remote control car using solar energy. That is awesome. All right, but is it strong enough to catch me?
It is.
Get me, get me. Nice.
Okay guys, thank you for learning about the sun with me. Bye. Remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye.
Bye.